Hey guys, it's me, Soso. I have a calendar that says what I'm supposed to be drawing, but most of the time I tend to stray off topic. Well, not today. Today's prompt is card building. Why Past Me? Why couldn't you put something besides that? Sadly, Past Me couldn't put any details, so I had to figure out what I was doing. I figured that I could turn a card into a person. The most thought of card is the Ace of Spades. You know, that one card that gets special treatment and has the fancy and lacy designs on it? That one. So yeah, I drew it. Let's go see what I made. I probably would have made this character a girl because most of my drawings are girls. But then I looked at all my drawings and I thought to myself, maybe I've been drawing a little too many girls. Just a bit. So I decided to draw a male character instead. I decided to make this character money hungry, more on that later. As a result, I incorporated a lot of green and purple as well as orange to make certain objects pop. You guys are probably wondering why I made him money hungry. Allow me to explain. But in order to explain, we're going to have to go back in time. Like, way back in time. Welcome to the 16th century of England. The decks you and I use are based off the English deck of cards. As you may have guessed, playing cards were very popular. Because of this, Britain saw an easy way to make profit.
People like cards a lot. Let's tax the cards.
Tax? For what?
Money, duh.
The British put a tax on their cards and had special stamps to prove that the owners did indeed pay the tax.
Next.
Since the Ace of Spades was always the first card on the deck, it always got the stamp. In 1828, Britain finally got tired of stamping and used printed aces to indicate the card had been paid.
You know what? Just print them already. But you have to do a certain design.
Then, around 1862, card manufacturers were free to design their own Ace of Spades. All of them were extremely fancy and well made.
Fine, just stop. There's still a tax.
In 1960, Britain finally gave up on adding a tax on the cards and just let the cards be.
I give up. Taxing cards is hard.
Want a card?
Sure.
There's tax.
Isn't this a bit expensive?
That's how much it cost us.
By this time, it was a tradition to beautify the Ace of Spades. Now, our card decks tend to have a pretty Ace of Spades. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why the Ace of Spades is money hungry. It is literally the most spoiled of the deck and was used for profit. After about an hour of drawing, I managed to make this. For this one, I added a lot of money and tried to give it a sort of background. I really liked the way it turned out. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Arts. Thanks for watching. Bye!